Are you looking for ways to make money on Twitter? Well, you've come to the right place, for in this video, I will show you exactly that, how to make money on Twitter. And before we get started on the video, please hit that like button so this video reaches more people. And let's get started. Social media platforms are giving plenty of opportunities to make money, and Twitter is no different. Every day, Twitter receives more than 2 billion search queries, and hence, it is considered to be one of the most popular social media platforms where you can reach millions of people from different parts of the world. If you have not yet considered Twitter as part of your money-making strategies, it's high time you should consider doing so now. So first, let's talk about how much money can you make on Twitter. Twitter is a great platform where you can reach audience worldwide, and hence it's a great opportunity to make money on Twitter. The average earning may vary depending on the types of content you post, follower counts, and brand partnership deals, engagement rates, and so on. However, the maximum amount of money you can earn from Twitter has no limit. So what's stopping you? Aim for the highest amount and start working hard for it. Here are tips to make money on Twitter. Number 1. Design your own killer Twitter profile. You need an optimized Twitter profile if you want to earn money from tweeting. A proper profile picture, a cover photo, and an interesting bio about what you're offering are the main things that your Twitter profile needs. You should create your Twitter profile in a way that can give it a branded look with a photo, a cover photo, a caption about what you're offering, and a link to your website. Your followers will gain a greater understanding of you and your brand by seeing your complete Twitter profile. Number 2. Focus on building followers. Actively participating on social media platform is the easiest way to grow your fan base organically. Having an active Twitter profile simply means posting regular content and interacting with other Twitter users through retweets, likes, and comments. Use hashtags and niche-specific content to increase your Twitter reach. Maintaining an active Twitter profile will help you attract new followers, and as well as keep your existing followers. Businesses will be more confident about working with you if you have more followers and more activity on your page. Provide valuable content and post regularly to achieve this. Next, sell your products and services. Do you have a product or a service to showcase to your audience? Your Twitter handle can be tailored to reflect your business, or you can create a username that reflects your offerings while promoting your business. To build an online following and attract online shoppers, you can regularly participate in relevant threads, tweet company news, and share your blog posts. Next, create email lists. The best way to increase sales for a business is to grow its email lists. Sending email messages to your subscribers allows you to share your company news, blog posts, announcements of new products, and promotions of flash sales. Using Twitter, you can encourage people to follow you and your brand and sign up for emails. Using the platform actively and engaging in threads on Twitter is also a great way to build email lists. And lastly, promote a giveaway. Who doesn't love a freebie or a giveaway? So, you can use this opportunity to your advantage and start promoting your business by running a giveaway. Giveaways and discounts are a great way to attract customers, as they are always into discounts and freebies. Giveaways generate sales and enable you to build your Twitter following at the same time. In conclusion, Twitter is an easy way to earn money. Just be aware of your audience, the algorithm you use, the method you use, the location of your audience, and the preferences of your audience. Engage with them and follow the trend. So get started now. And I hope you find this video helpful. And if it did, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can get online courses platformed with integrated marketing, with hosts anywhere, support 17 languages, and 6 profit-boosting plugins included? That is Course Funnels by Technic4ce. Create and market courses online. Course Funnels helps you make courses and trainings that actually get sales. It's easy. You will have your first course set up on day number 1. It has a powerful dashboard, easy course editor, robust communication center, email marketing inside, and accepts payments any way you want. It has money-saving plugins included, and it supports third-party scripts, and has reports and analytics. Get instant access to CourseFunnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.